Hello guys, this is Anshuman Rao and welcome back into a brand new video. And this video is going to be about a trade breakdown video which I took in gold. And this is not just a trade breakdown video, because in this video you will be going to learn that how keeping trading simple will help you a lot. And this video is going to be all about on that topic, because the trade which I took in gold, I just took one trade today, and that one trade was enough to make my day and keep on going. And you know it's just made me realize that the more I keep it very simple, the more I will be getting less stressed out through trading. Because trading is something that the more you do it, the more you are going to mess it up. So let's jump into the video without wasting any time, and let's start by analyzing the news. So basically now it's 12:51 a.m. IST according to the Indian Standard Time, and I took the trade at April 15. So if we see what were the news events, what were the major news events that were in April 15, it was nothing. There were no news events in April 15, so it was a no news day. And I was able to trade very freely. And if you are wondering what this is, so this is one of the dashboards made by myself to analyze news events and to analyze the key driving factors which drive the markets, basically the important news. And this is not any your typical software or something else. This is made by me. This is my personal user space. And it was made completely with AI and news feeds and all. And the information here is all it's completely up to date, but it is in a very organized form, and it is made by Claude. And I will be also explaining to you how to make these kinds of stuff, so that you can analyze the news. You can do your fundamental analysis in a very organized way. So we will jump into this topic afterwards. I will make a separate video on this topic, but for now let's close it and let's jump into the trade which we are talking about. So there were no news events on April 15. And the trade which I'm going to talk about is this. So this is a MetaTrader platform in which I execute my trading orders. I execute my positions here in MetaTrader. And as you can see, this arrow over here, so I will be zooming out while editing in this video, and I will be zooming out this situation, this area over here. So I took basically, it was a sell side trade. And as you can see, I sold one lot over here. And I closed around here, complete position I closed around here. And the complete total PNL was plus $940. So if you let's show you my account in which I'm trading right now. So this is the account in which I'm trading right now, the $25,000 account. The initial, I just started today itself, and in the first day itself I made around $940 with only just one trade. So this is the account in which I'm trading currently right now, and I will be sharing you the updates of this account. And if I breach it, I will share it to you. If I pass it, I will share it to you. And this is the first trading day for this account, and let's see where it goes. So let's explain you that why I took this trade. So let's jump into the TradingView platform so that I can explain it to you in a very better way. And it was, I think it was a 30 minute time frame, and I executed my trade around here. Let me mark it for you as well. I executed my trade around here and exited around here. and my stop loss was around here. So it was close to a 2 risk to reward ratio trade, a 2 hour trade. And so why I took this trade. So if you see the session marker over here, then as you can see, this was a New York session and also a London session overlap. So there were higher probabilities for the price to drive in a particular direction because the volume during these times are very high. And why the volume during these times are very high? Because during this time, the London session and the New York session is overlapped. And when two major sessions are overlapped, just like London session and New York session, when these two major sessions are overlapped, then that time is a very volatile time for any financial instrument. So there were high probabilities that due to high volume the price is going to go in a particular direction if it shows a sign of a particular direction. So the next thing is, we have the volume, we have the session overlap which indicates volume, and the next thing is how I got to know the direction. So how I got to know the direction, I jumped into a 15-minute time frame, and if you see, then in a 15-minute time frame, what we are going to see is there is a bullish structure over here. Okay, there is a bullish structure, but as soon as we see this rejection candle over here, which is a very very big rejection point over here, as soon as we see this, we got to see a trend reversal from here. So the market turned bearish at the point of this. From the point of this, the market turned bearish. Then again it started to retrace somewhere to some extent, but still then, as you can see, even after trying to catch up a bullish momentum, it didn't catch up the bullish momentum. But instead what happened is we got a hammer candle, which is again a sign of reversal. And after hammer candle we also got to see somewhere again a bearish candle. Also next time on the next candle we got to see a full volume bearish candle again itself. So now what I did was I jumped into the 30-minute time frame, and what I did was to wait for the volume to kick in. And when the market moves, when the price moves itself, according to that moment of the price, the way it moves, if you have enough experience, then the way it moves, you will be able to predict that yes, the volume is going to drive that price forward in the particular direction. So I had that enough experience because I am trading the markets since 4 to 5 years. So I took an impulse entry around here when it broke the low of the previous bearish candle, and all I did was anticipate for the price to move down over here. So there was no clean range on the left hand side. There was rejections, and also there was if you see, then there was a resistance over here. So till this entry point to this resistance, it is a very very minimal distance. So but still then I held my trade until around here, and my stop loss and take profit were fixed. So I just set my stop loss and my take profit, and I just held my trade all the way. And I just kept holding it, and I just closed my laptop and I went for other work. So I didn't wait for the price to to hit my TP or to hit my SL. I just kept on working, my doing other stuffs, and I just kept I just left the trade to run itself, because my stop loss and take profit are already set, and there are no news events today. So there are there is not going to be any slippage or those kinds of stuff which happen during news events. So there are very less probabilities for that to happen. So I left my trade like that itself. Usually I don't do that because you know when news events come suddenly, when the price starts hiking or spiking or surging in a very rapid way, then you slipped out. Means even though you set your stop loss or take profit, you get slipped out. The stop loss or take profit doesn't get respected. So if you if you are on the right side, you will be making more than your take profit. But if you are on the wrong side, you will be losing more than what you are willing to lose, what you have set to lose. So that's a very disadvantageous thing for a trader. So during news events, you cannot do these things, that you just set your stop loss and take profit and go do other stuff, but not look at the screen. You can do this when there are no news events, just like today, April 15, Wednesday, there were no news events. So I did that. And yeah, we hit our take profit. And if you see my trading statement, then let me show you in my account itself. You can also see in this MetaTrader platform, but let me zoom it and show it to you. So this is my trading statement. I closed, this is a single trade, but I closed half and half, 0.5 lot and 0.5 lot in a different time. So it is showing you two trades. So in the first, in a total, I made $940. And this is the complete trading statement over here. And this is the analytics. The only traded pair was gold, and this is the trading growth overview. So the account was created on April 14th, and the first trade was taken in April 15th. And this is the detailed statistics. So this was the video, and the more you keep it simple, the more it will be an advantageous thing for you. Because what I did was, what is the thing that I did that kept simple is, I just took one trade, and that's what I did, and that's what kept me kept things simple. If I would have took 3 trades, 4 trades, 5 trades, okay, if 3 trades is okay, to some extent max to max 4 trades are okay. But if the number of trades go over that, then things starts to get complicated, because you also have to journal, you also have to manage your positions, you also have to manage your emotions. If you are consecutively losing, what I prefer is 2 trades a day, max 2 trades a day. If in those 2 trades I lost money, I'll still shut down my computer and I will be going and doing other stuff. If in those 2 trades, if I made money, then it's okay. It's completely okay. It's completely fine. But 2 trades a day, max. That's it. That's what keeps things simple, because it's easy to journal, it's easy to maintain. And after 2 trades, if you shut down your computer and you go back to your life and you do other stuff, you just completely forget about the loss or profit you made in those 2 trades. And the more you keep on trading, the more trades you execute, the more you are getting into a very bad mess, emotionally and financially. And also, if you are pursuing trading as a very professional career, and you are taking trading seriously, then also you are messing your career. The more you are trading, the more you are executing orders, you are messing up your career also. So that's what keeping trading simple is only the way to win in this game. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video, and this is what I wanted to explain you in this video. So this was all for the video, and hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and hope you have learned something from this video. And yeah, this is Anshuman Rao signing off. Peace out.